Hello to my B-Day students learning at home today. Today at home, you are going to try this daily workbook page. You can either follow along with me and then submit it, or you can try it on your own and then watch the video and check your work. Then there is a spelling assignment in Canvas with some new words. Translating those, looking them over, drawing some pictures. And then you can start reading for your new reading log for this week. There's a link to Scholastic magazine. Or if you have a book that you enjoy reading, you can read that and complete your reading log. All right, let's go ahead and get started with today's daily workbook page. Here we are going to circle the correct way to divide each word into syllables. Syllables means the number of sounds and parts to a word. So this is sometimes kind of hard to hear the difference between the right answers. But the word that we're talking about here for number 1 is the word pencil. Now when you say that word, if you look at the first one here, do you say pencil when you say the word? No. Or do you say pencil? That's sounding better. Or pencil. These two are very similar, but if you really break this word down into syllables, there's your correct answer. Pencil. 2 syllables. That's what's important. Pencil. Okay, let's try the next one. The word here is playground. So do you think it's, as in number 1, playground? The second choice, playground? No. Or playground? No. So the correct answer for this one, the way you say this word, playground. Of course, if there are any new words, always look them up so you can always learn new words. Okay, here we are going to circle the words that are plural nouns. Ooh, I like that, plural nouns. So plural means more than one. And nouns, of course, means a person, place, or thing. So dancing is a verb, so that is not a noun at all. Dishes is a noun. If you don't know what it means, you can look up dish. And the plural of dishes is dishes, so this is correct. We can circle that one. The directions say words, so there's going to be more than one. The next one, danced. That is not a noun, that is a verb in the past tense. The next one, slippers. Oh, that is indeed a plural noun. If you do not know the word slipper, you should look it up. Slippers are shoes that you wear in your house, especially in the winter time, and they keep your feet warm. And the last word, slipped, well, that's a verb in the past tense. It means to fall if it's slippery like the ice, so that is not a right answer. Okay, for the last 2, we get to correct some sentences. The first one reads, I think you know all these words, so that's not the problem, but we have to punctuate it and fix it. It says, what color is your car? Asked Samuel. Well, Samuel is a person, and he is talking to us, so we're going to put what he says in quotation marks, capital W. What color is your car? Question mark, quotation mark, because that's what he's asking. And then just the rest of our sentence, asked Samuel, needs to be capitalized. It's someone's name, period. What color is your car? Asked Samuel. So please notice here, punctuation-wise, we have quotation marks for what he's asking, and we're ending with question mark because it's a question. All right, number 5 is filled with so many mistakes. It says, He ain't gonna want no cookies, cake, or ice cream for dessert. Woo! We need to fix this. People do speak this way, but it's very, very wrong. We want to start with our capital letter. And ain't, ooh, that is a bad word. It is not in the dictionary. Ain't in the dictionary. It is the wrong way to say he is not. Or you could make a contraction now, isn't. So, he is not or isn't gonna want. Gonna is something people say all the time, but you do not want to write it like that. Here is how you write it. He is not going to. People say gonna, but what they mean is going to. He is not going to want no cookies, cake, or ice cream for dessert. Well, since we already have the word not, we do not want to use the word go. No. That's too many negatives. It's called a double negative. We don't want to do that. So we have to change the word no to a positive word, any. He is not going to want any, I'm just going to continue down here, cookies. Now we have a list of things, so we need our commas. Cake or ice cream for dessert. So our final sentence corrected reads, he is not going to want any cookies, cake, or ice cream for dessert. Or he isn't going to want any cookies, cake, or ice cream for dessert. Okay, maybe now you're getting hungry. So since you're at home, you can go get something to eat and then finish up the rest of your assignments, your spelling and your reading log for today. And I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.